welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Camelia. I just wanted to really come on here, and I know I'm looking crazy, and if you see me looking over there, it's because actually the mirror's here, and I'm trying to see if this is dry, and it is. I did actually record this pre-mask and I was mixing it, and then I put it on and then I lost the footage, so this is why you're getting me looking like this. There were a couple items that I did leave out of the haul. I was really conscious about making that video too long for you guys, but before I get into this video, if you haven't already, subscribe for the ride, honey. Turn on those post notifications so that you'll know when I will be uploading next, and let's get into this video. So I have been using this mask for several weeks now. I'm completely obsessed. You know, anything to do with my skin, I've been on it this year. This face mask is actually called Fuller's Earth MULTANI MITTI clay. This is a 100% natural with bentonite. If you have heard of the Aztec healing clay that was all the hype at one point, it is very similar to that. They do exactly the same thing. This clay, whenever I finish using it, it feels like, you know, there's clean and then there's clean, and this feels like underlayer clean. So if you don't know, MULTANI MITTI clay is amazing for if you have dark circles under your eyes, if you have acne prone skin, oily, excessively oily skin. So for me, it's not really my T-zone but my nose area, I get really oily, and then just like my eyebrow area gets oily as well, so it's amazing for that. Pigmentation, scarring, fine lines and wrinkles. It's said to improve the circulation in your, you know, the blood circulation in your skin. You can also use it as a mask on your scalp. I did recently have inflammation of my scalp as a mask on my scalp. It just felt completely different. It was almost as if it kind of neutralized like the skin on my scalp. I can't explain it, but I do know that there was an instant difference. So if you were into anything natural, especially if you like masks that you can put on your scalp as well as your face, this will be amazing for it. I'm completely obsessed with this mask, guys. I have noticed improvement in the texture of my skin, which is always a plus. We all want to have smooth skin. Notice the difference underneath my eyes. I feel like the lines are not as deep as they were, but literally it is like a powder. You only need to mix it with water. It looks like this. I do it twice a week, and just like anything that works for removing the excess oil, if you overdo it, you're obviously going to get adverse effects. So just make sure that you don't overdo it. You don't really want to dry out your skin, especially on your face, because that's something that can contribute towards the aging of your skin if your skin's very dry. So you want to be careful in that. But now that the face mask is dry, guys, I'm gonna wash this off, do my toner, and then come back. So this is what we are looking like. I'm literally just using the toner. I always do my toner before I go to bed, but as you can see, my skin's looking quite glowy. I am going to apply my serum because I've got a thing about my face not being dry, so I'm just going to look again in that mirror just over there and apply my serum. For those of you that are going to ask, this serum was also in my Amazon haul. I would usually do an oil as well, which I know is like a little bit, it sounds a little bit crazy considering I've just used a product to take away the excess sebum, but actually the drier your face is, the more it's going to feel the need to produce more oil. So it's still good to make sure that you replace with some oils and you don't leave your skin dry. I don't have that type of skin that I cannot put moisturizer on anyway, so it just has to get done, otherwise I'll literally feel like my face is about to crack and fall. So yeah, this is what my face looks like after using the Fuller's Earth MULTANI MITTI clay. If you wanted a cheaper alternative to the Aztec healing clay, I would definitely say to go ahead and try this clay out. They do exactly the same thing. I thought I'd do this video to put my queens on. Everything that I mentioned earlier, this powder is amazing for. I've been using it for maybe around 4 weeks now, and I've seen an amazing improvement in the texture and the tone. Even my skin tone has changed a lot as well. So yeah, I will link the details in the description box below. I will also link the headbands, the dressing gown, the hyaluronic acid. Those are in my recent Amazon haul. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next one.